Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to switch account on Amazon app. So let's get started. So first things first is that you want to go into your Play Store if you're in Android or App Store if you are in iOS. And from here you want to go and search for Amazon right here, and from here you want to make sure basically is that your Amazon app is updated. In my case, I have already updated this. As you can see, I have the open button instead of the update button. So as you can see, it is now all good. So once you have updated your Amazon app, then now you can open it. So tap on open, and then we are now here into Amazon. And as you can see, I now have the switch account button right there. And all you have to do basically to go there is once you're logged in, you want to tap on the three horizontal bars in the bottom right. And yeah, from here you can see the switch accounts already. All you have to do now is tap on switch accounts, and then from here you would be able to see all the accounts in your Amazon app right here that is incorporated. And from here, this is where you will choose the account that you would want to switch. If you want to add an account, just simply tap on the add account button and just provide the email, phone number, and the password and so on, or you could create a new one if you want by tapping on create account. And lastly is that you can tap on the manage account, and then the manage button right here, and then you can remove accounts that you have added right here by tapping on the X button right there. So that is basically how simple it is. Thank you for watching.